At the core of the Lana CRM is the ability for you to send two-way text messages and communicate with your customer across multiple platforms. They include social media, pulling in your website inquiries, and of course, text, phone, and email. That two-way correspondence means that you improve your customer experience and your team has a capacity to better manage the customer journey from a new inquiry where someone's just simply wanting to communicate with your team to get some information and get a quote, right through to the ability to communicate and confirm appointments for attending a site, sending out quotes and getting quote approval, and of course, sending out invoices to get paid. The ability to communicate two-way is twofold. Your internal team know exactly where all of your team members are, who's communicating and collaborating with that customer, so no customer gets left behind. And of course, your customers get a more professional experience from the start of your customer journey right through to the end when they're making their payment and potentially leaving you with a Google review. As you can see on our interface here, we've managed to integrate the Simpro notes, which means if you are communicating with your customer within Lana and you wish to push those notes into the job, quote, lead, or invoice, you can by simply referencing the number. You can allocate a team member, give it a subject line, and push any phone call, SMS, or email directly into the Simpro platform so your technicians in the field can see what was discussed with the customer all in one convenient location. Get in touch with our team today to get more information.